Hello, traders. FS Pipclatter here. Today is Friday, September 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, on the pound dollar monthly, I still think this move up is a trend that is not even close to being over. I think it's going to go up and make a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably up to one of these fib extension levels, most likely taking out these highs and end up looking something like that. So let's keep an eye on that and let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first Setson right here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. I still think this is like an ABC of 2. I think that this is all part of a wave 3 and that this move down is nothing more than a correction within this wave 3, and eventually it's going to continue up to make that wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely have a very impulsive move up over the last couple of days. I was for sure thinking that this was a wave 4, but I mean, it very easily could prove that it's an end of a trend and just keep on trending up. But I mean, until it takes out some major structure, for me, the major structure levels are way up here. I am still looking at this as possibly a correction to the downtrend and possibly making one more move down, maybe to hit this fib level before it continues back up. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour time frame, I mean, until it breaks structure, I'm still looking at this as possibly a correction. It is very strong to the upside, so I would for sure be looking for longs at the end of the next pullback. And then if you get in at the end of the next pullback and it just keeps on going up, and then it breaks this structure, you'll know that that's a good trade to hold on to and that it's not a correction to the downtrend. On the other hand, if you get in at the end of the next correction and it goes up to one of these fib retracement levels, makes a big bounce, makes a big engulfing move with a break of structure especially, that's what will prove to me that it really is a wave 4, that it really is going to go down for a wave 5. To me, it does still make the most sense for this to be a big 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. So let's take it right down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, definitely a very strong move to the upside. It still looks like all one trend, like it's still a wave A or a wave 1. Eventually, I do think it is going to make a move to the downside for a wave B or a wave 2. And then eventually, I think it's either going to go up and bounce off a fib level, proving that it is a wave C, breaking structure, or it's just going to keep on trending up, eventually taking out this 100% level, proving that it is not a wave C, but it really is a wave 3, and that we really do have the end of a trend on the daily time frame and up. But like I said, until we break this structure, I am looking at this as possibly an A, B, C correction. So if I see three waves up to a Fibonacci level with a break of structure to the downside, I will for sure take that as a short. But in the meantime, I do think that looking for longs is going to be the best bet on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.